Hi everyone! It's been almost 4 months since Apple released the first public version of iOS 26. Since then, iOS 26.1 and 26.2 have brought several new features. Today, I'll show you what I consider to be the 10 most important. I'll also tell you whether it's worth updating your iPhone to the latest version of iOS today. 1. Clear and tinted glass switch. We'll start with the most important feature Apple has introduced, the ability to enable tinting, which makes the liquid glass darker, less transparent, and more readable. This is definitely useful for reading notifications and in apps like Photos and Files. However, you must enable it in the settings, as the default is transparent mode. This switch is located in the display and brightness settings. 2. A liquid glass slider for editing the lock screen. This slider allows you to change the transparency of the clock digits on the lock screen. It allows you to further customize your home screen to your preferences. This is another additional liquid glass customization option that Apple has introduced to iOS. 3. Lock screen swipe to open camera switch. This is another feature many people have been waiting for. It allows you to disable the default gesture for opening the camera from the lock screen. Finally, you won't have to worry about accidental turning it on, for example, when you have your iPhone in your pocket. The switch is located in the camera section of settings. 4. Slide to stop the alarm. With this feature, you won't be able to turn off your morning alarm so easily anymore. Now, instead of clicking the stop button, you have to drag the slider to turn off the alarm. 5. Alarm and reminders. This is one of the features that makes setting reminders more efficient, because now you can add an alarm to a reminder, making it harder to miss it. 6. New Apple TV icon. This change is related to the rebranding of the Apple TV Plus streaming platform into the Simply Apple TV. As you can see, the icon itself hasn't changed much. Apple has only added a few colors. 7. Liquid glass effects in the Measure app. Another visual improvement in the new updates is the appearance of the spirit level in the Measure app. It's now very liquid glass-like, and in my opinion, it looks very cool and is great for some fun. 8. Changes to the Podcasts app. In this app, Apple has relied on AI, giving us features like automatic chapter creation, access to links mentioned in the podcast on the episode page, and displaying mentions of other podcasts from the transcript and player. 9. New numeric keypad. Another visual change is the new liquid glass numeric keypad in the phone app. This is another detail that complements the new look of iOS. 10. Changes to the Games app. Another Apple app that has received a refresh is the Game app. It now features like library sorting and filtering, controller navigation, and real-time score updates. In addition to the features discussed above, Apple has also improved things in iOS 26.1 and 26.2, including better liquid glass animations, left-aligned text in settings and above folders, improved system-wide consistency by adding, for example, a new, more liquid glass-like animation for muting the phone. Apple has also fixed many system bugs, such as the one with settings freezing that I discussed in one of my shorts. Additionally, they've significantly improved system performance and battery life. Unfortunately, the system is still not perfect and has several shortcomings, such as the extremely long loading time of the keypad used to unlock the phone. But is it still worth updating your iPhone to iOS 26.2? If you have an older version of iOS 26, then definitely yes, as the current version is significantly better than its predecessors and is simply more enjoyable to use. If you have older versions, such as iOS 18.7, it depends on whether you like liquid glass. In my opinion, the current version of iOS 26 is already refined enough to be considered a good and, above all, beautiful system, which other manufacturers will likely want to copy. That's all for this episode. Subscribe and like for more content like this. Bye!